Good evening everyone. So let's wait again. We'll wait for 4 or 5 minutes and then we're gonna start another session so that everyone joins. Good evening. Till then you know how to log in, so you can just log in and wait. Okay. So again same process for login. Everyone you know how to log in. Those who don't know, then they can just look what I am writing. You need to write www.icode.org. So you have to write this www.icode.org and click on enter. So once you click on it, it will open this interface, okay, where you need to see written global hackathon certificate online learning. So we are here for the global hackathon. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this global hackathon. Okay. So everyone last session you were asking about all those things what when is the you can see when is your national finals and all. Okay, it's in October and November. Okay, after mid October and November. So I hope everyone reads it every day when you are logging in. Okay, all the dates and all. This session is just for practice, and again you know what to do after this. Click on register now. Okay, if you haven't registered yet, you have to register it. Okay, Otherwise, if you have registered, click on just already sign up. No one will do the annotation in the screen. I'll just disable it for everyone. Okay, you get this screen. So once you get this screen, type your email over here. This is my mail. Click on send verification code and send a verification code. And my verification code is 310403. So this is my verification code, which I'm gonna enter it. Remember, it's valid for 3 minutes. 310403. Okay. So once you click on it, it will open this screen where you will see your course name and written over here. Start learning, right? Click on start learning, it will open the platform. Okay. Need to refresh it. Let connectivity issue over. I'm gonna refresh it. Here comes our platform where we practice. So we are on the level we did till 16, I guess 17. We'll start with 18 today. Okay. So here is your map. And you have to collect that. No one. 17th we have completed yesterday, right? And one only. This was all about 17. Okay. So this one. We're gonna start with 18 today. If anyone has any problem with something, you can return here how it needs to be done. Okay. So I'll just run it and show you. Those who have done this can move to 18th and just do that. Okay. So this is how 17th was cracked. Let's come to the 18th. Okay. Now 18th one. So here is the date. This is the spaceship. These are the items which needs to be collected. Okay. Uh, okay. That's no. So what needs to be done? Think of the logic. How he will be collecting all these items. Let's see if this code runs till here. This item will collect at last. Let me. Okay. So spaceship is moving. Fine. Now. Okay. Only needs to be done. Dave needs to sit on that stage. That's fine. Now I'm gonna take this stage, move it spaceship. Now. And say here will take Dave's turn, move step one. That's done. For me, I think that's enough. You can apply your logic also. No worry. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, okay. So now you can see you guys are just thinking of the logic, which is very good. Okay, you guys thinking label is good. Okay, are giving the answers good. Right. Okay, let's go for the 19th one. Okay, this one is done. Very simple, not so tough because same thing was happening three times. He was turning right and going four steps every time, spacious. So we just kept repeat inside repeat. We kept this one for four steps. We need to repeat the same thing three times. He was repeating so three. And when he comes over here, they just go one step and collect the time. That's fine. Someone has done a spaceship move one, then spaceship sunrise, spaceship, spaceship country. Okay, yeah, this is also good. You'll get two stars. Right, no worries with that. Quickly, let's move to the last one. I'll just run it quick. Okay. So now coming to the 19th level. Spaceship day IT. Let's see who cracks it. Just missed something. Wait. I missed the. Oh, I missed the block. Right, right. What is happening? Okay, sorry, just missed that one. Quickly we'll see if my logic works. You guys also try your logic. Forgot to add spaceship. That's why it was not happened. For me, this is the one which will work. I guess I'm not wrong. You also try your logic. Yes, right. Hello. You are also right. Right, right. Yeah. So this is the logic. Okay. Without taking more blocks, you can apply this one also, or you can take more if you need to crack it by yourself. You apply your logic also. You can crack it. 19 points. Okay. So now you'll see some logical is coming after and all. You are getting proceeding to the next level. Yes, you are right. Repeat three times, child. Lakshya. Not two times, three times. Okay, let's quickly move to the 20th level. 19th is done. There is no level after 50. Please practice it. You can see on the map. Now, this one, I'm interested in this one. Who does it with proper logical codes? Okay, this is the who does it in a with a proper logical code. I'm not gonna code it right now for the 28th. I've shown you how to code 2, 3. 3 I've shown you 17th, 18th, and 19th. Go for 28th. Everyone. And just keep it in your mind that you are sitting in a hackathon. Without. Okay, think that and do it. Correct. Correct. Lux, you are also right, but the block level is block your use more. And Aditya, no use of using spaceship move 2 at the last of your code. After that step 4, you don't need to take spaceship move 2. Okay? Only till that step 4, your code is correct. Don't take spaceship move 2. Now you guys just check if it is correct or not. Most of you have done this logic. Some of you have applied your own also, but see why I am telling you this logic. See, why is it not having? It needs to turn right. See, same thing what you guys have told me. I just did that thing. Just see, not happening. Correct. So this when see what is happening. When spaceship is moving 2 steps, he goes turn right, collect it, goes back, again move 4 steps. Now he do needs to turn right from here. Correct. He do needs to turn right from here. What will happen? Spaceship, this one will be over there. Okay. This thing will be there. And same code which he is doing from here to here will be 2 times. Spaceship this one. But he won't turn right after that. Correct. This code is fine, but after this, when these code are performed, he just needs to go 2 step, collect 4 item and all. So what we're gonna do is I'll tell you. We'll do over here only that thing. We'll take this repeat out. We'll put over here. Now see what we'll do. We'll turn Dave right at first only. Now this thing will work. Got it? That Dave turn right will be the first block. First only we will turn it right so that we don't have to take all these blocks again. Now it will perform the thing. Got it? Little bit confusing. Correct. But yeah, you guys have tried, your logic was right, but only thing was just take Dave turn right first. Yes, Kundan was correct. He gave the answer. Right will come first. Correct, Kundan. The rest you guys are correct. The logic was right. Only thing, just turn your because every time they will not turn right for collecting these items. So they turning right was at the first, so just turn it right at the beginning and then that repeat same thing. Correct? Here, little bit tricky, right? So if you do these type of levels, you will enjoy while doing this. Now, coming to this part, little bit easier, little bit easier, but let me see who cracks it with less number of blocks. Correct? Okay, less number of blocks. Yeah, apply your logic. The one who will give me the answer with less number of blocks means he is doing just one this level or he's practicing hackathon in a good manner. Okay, who got 3 stars with less number of blocks. Then it was correct, Ayushman, but see, you can apply logic in these codes. Your code is correct. Yeah, you will get 2 stars. Okay. As most of you are saying me, I'll just tell you one thing. I'll give you your you are saying this step one. Sorry. Just got disconnected. Okay. So I was just telling you that most of you what give me the answer. I'll see if someone cracks it with this. So answer was save this and then turn left. This one. Most of you gave me the answer. And again, last one was turn right. Sorry, turn left 4 steps. Sorry. So this was the code which you guys told me. Correct. This was the code. Most of you gave me this answer. And one more answer which I got was Dave 1 step, repeat 2 times, Dave turn left, Dave step 3. Okay. I'll first I'm gonna show you with this code what is happening. Let me see if it cracks it and see how much star you get. 2. One of the logic is more. Okay. Correct? And now you see some one answer. I'm just showing you your answers. Okay. Someone told me their step 1, repeat inside repeat. Just see if it works or not. Repeat inside 2. They've turned left or right or they've step 3. Let's see. Someone told me this answer. Correct? See, how will this work, guys? How will this work? In here, he don't need. He will. How he will go 3 steps? He only needs to go 2 steps. No, 1 and 2. Here he needs to go 3, and here he needs to go forth. Correct? So this work doesn't work. One more answer I got that they one step repeat. They turn left. They step 3. They step 4. Okay. So this will also not work, child. Left. And I got one more answer was their step 1. They turn left. Okay. See. So it was from Aditya. I'll show you and then I'll tell you what you guys are doing wrong. So this last answer I'm just showing you to repeat. They've turned left. They've step 3. Inside repeat only. Correct. 3 and their step 4 after repeat. Correct. Okay. So I think this he wants to tell. See your star child. 1. Now you see. If someone cracks it, let me see. The first code which everyone told me was this. Correct. And you just observe what is happening. So the first code was like this. Okay. And one more turn left and one more this. Correct. Left. So what do you observe in this code was your wave is changing its shape every time when it's turning left by one. See, first he was moving one step, turn left, then increase one more step, 2, again turn left, increase one more step, 3, again turn left, increase one more step, 4. So from 1, 2, 3, 4 is happening. Okay, this code is correct, but any one of you who thinks we can put a logic in such a way we can use some block and instead of this step 1 every time you take a single block where it will keep on increasing step 1 by 1 whenever he turns left. Any one of you? Yeah, sure. I'll do maximize. I'm just saying, suppose this is their step 1 at the four. So see, every time he turns left, he increase one step. 2. Turns left, now increase one more. From 2 to 3. 3 to 4. I think every time when he's turning left, he's increasing one step. Okay, I'm just waiting. There's step 1, there's step 2, there's turn left, there's 3, turn left, turn 4. Yes, you are right. You guys are right. I guess if someone is from the last session, I asked them to also do, no one did that with this logic. If you can. I get 2 star, I get 2 star, okay. So what if we set our something like variable? Okay, suppose I set my variable like this. like this to 1. Okay, set A to 1. Suppose, and what will happen when I set A to 1? Okay, suppose this A is 1. So now, whenever I run it or something like Dev A, instead of 1, I take A, and instead of Dev this, I take this one and put as A plus 1, A plus 1, suppose. So now, if you can put something inside these logic, and you can take some loop and make this logic like this, that so that it cracks taking less number of blocks. We have given you a hint. Set A to something, variable to something, and it is changing. What are variables? You must have learned in your coding also that variables are something which changes in code, like score, like time, like height, distance. So all these we create as a variable inside our code, right? No matter in Python, Scratch, or somewhere. So here also our step is changing after one every turn left. So what we can do, we can apply. Okay, right now what you have done, that's it. If you can't do it right now, do it as your homework. I'll check it in the next session because we need to also crack all those levels also. So I'm just giving you a hint for this. Okay, the hint is you're gonna do it by yourself. You know how variable changes. Okay, we know what is variable. So here you can see your step, what Dave is moving is changing every time by 1 when he's turning left. Every time it is changing by 1. So what you can do is you can set a variable as 1. You can take Dave's step as A, and what logic you will put, what repeat you will take, or what loop you're gonna take, so that whenever Dave turns left, you should increase every time Dave by 1. Okay. So this is your assignment. Okay, think, try multiple times. Okay, if you try by yourself, you'll get to know okay how this is cracked. Right now, let's move to the next one. Right now, you it will take time. Okay, so think of this logic. Okay, why I have run my code. Okay, so it's not completed. It's just running the older one. Okay. If you use a loop, it will certainly give you a 3 star. Now here also this level also. This level is also tricky. Okay. So let's see who cracks it. Here also some logic will be applied. Some if you are using like using your block like this step 1 turn right, this step 2 turn right, this step 3 turn right, like this will give you only 2 stars. And to crack a level, getting 2 star, that's good. I'm not telling that's bad, but logic that you need to think of. Yeah, like Aditya, you are doing. They step 1. You're saying they step 1 first. Are you sure that will be they step 1 first? They is facing towards this side. He needs to turn right first, then they step 1. Okay, you are telling me about the last code. Okay, the last one, leave step 1. Okay. So if you did this one, how much star did you get? Aditya, after doing this code? How much start did you get after your education? They've turned right, first block. Think like this: if you are not able to first, don't crack it with logic. Okay, I told this before also. This is your thing. Take one by one every block, one by one. How you will do it? Suppose Dave is turning right first. Okay, Dave turns right. He move one step. Again, he comes over here. Again, Dave turns right. He again moves two steps. Okay, he moves two steps. Comes over here. Now he needs to turn left. Move two steps. Like this also first crack it. Okay, directly don't think of logic. Now he move two steps. He comes over here. They turns right and move how much step? One, two, three, four. The fourth step he comes over here. Again Dave turns left. One, two, three. Okay. Turn right. One, two, three, four, five, six. So this is six. This is three. Sorry. This is three. So now you see. Taking more number blocks. Okay. Now you can see this level will be done with two stars. Okay. Correct. So use as much as you can. You used 24 steps. That's fine. Only the problem is coming with your that loop. Okay. It is taking 12. Two more. Only you need to take 10. Then you're gonna get 10 stars. Sorry, 3 stars. So see where you can put some loop. They turn right. One. They turn right. Two. They turn left. Two. They turn right. Four. They turn left. They turn right. They six. Okay. Correct. Anand. Only two blocks if you displace it. or you use instead of some maybe something, you'll get 3 stars. Rest this code is correct. Yeah, pass this level change. Just do this code, you will pass this level. Passing the level is easy. Simply see how the blocks is used. Correct. So please, first you remember the last one. I'll check. Okay, I'll check in the next session. The last one of they turn left, 1 step, they turn left, 2 step one. Okay, that is I guess 21st. Yeah, 21st. So I'll check with this one. If someone applies some logic, okay, some loop, and get 3 star for that. See, this one, you'll see no logic is working over here. Correct. Every time you're saying that this they whenever turns right, we randomly move one, then turn right two. Okay. So here you will see that okay, there is turning right 1 step, they turning right 2 steps. After that they turn left 2 steps, they turn right 4 steps. Then turn left 3. So randomly it's changing it some numerical value. So here no logic can be applied. Correct. Got it. So this one you have to satisfy with the 2 star here. I don't think any logic will be applied. Okay, the 12 blocks will be used. If you can, then that's fine. But in the last one there is logic. Okay, this one no logic can be applied because all the numbers are just changing randomly 1, 2, 3 like that. So move to the next one. There will be some labels like this one. Okay, and you'll see some labels where there is a glitch. You did the code correct and the price, your date doesn't move accordingly. There will come some program. So let's crack it simple. This one, the last, we're gonna do it as last for today. Let's see who cracks it. This is there, here is the item which needs to be collected, and there is over here. But I got 2 stars. Yes. This step one. There will be these levels in between where you will see no logic is working. Okay, you only get 2 stars. So just to make irritating in the between. Okay, so see this one also how it works. So you move 1 step. Okay, 1 step comes over here. It's facing towards this side. So this is my left hand side. He needs to turn left. Okay, turn left. Again 1 step. So now he needs to turn right. 2 steps. 2 steps. He comes over here. Again turn the left. Turn left. 2 steps. So where was I just forgot. It comes over here. Sorry. There's step one. Okay. It turns right, comes over here. Turns right, there's two step again. He turns left, he comes over here. Turns right, three steps. Okay, then comes over here. This is left, turn left, two steps. Okay. Turn right, three steps. Turn left, two steps. This is the code. Okay. Let's check with this one. Two steps. Of course. Sir, I got. I also applied the same code. Correct. But sir, I got one star. No, one star should is not correct. Thus, you need to have at least two stars. Correct. Three star is very good, but in 24 second all labels you will see we have not done till level 50 child, and after level 50 we don't have any label. Okay, so in these labels what you're gonna see child that no logic will be applied. Okay, you can't see any logic because the numbers are changing randomly, 1 2 3 4 and all. Sometimes two times what it is coming, sometimes. So what you're gonna do is you do like this way. Okay, I'll come up with this one right now. Just do it like this way, get two stars. What I'm gonna say is see, I was saying forget about this one and forget about this one. Do you see any similarity between both of these codes? Any similarity logic wise? No. Yes, it's there. There, it's there. Both has turned left, both has turned right. In this also, what if I put they've turned right over there? And what if I take Dev 3 over here? Suppose I take Dev 3 over here. Nothing can harm us. Correct. See, what if I do this code like this and then just check if it works. If it works, then there is a logic. See. Yes. So what if you can just separate it from here like this one, separate it from here like this one. See, same turn left, turn left, turn left. Same step one, uh, two, two, three, three. Step is changing by one, but the condition is same. We need variables for this. If we use variables, we can crack this label. as you will, if you use variable in the 24th, if you are able to crack that one, you'll crack this one also using variable. Okay, check it. Okay, check it. You have time. We'll meet again on, I guess, on Monday, I guess, yes, or Tuesday. Whenever we meet next, we will check with these ones. Okay, right now just do it like this way. Get 2 stars, go to your home and just see. Sir, the code is same, but the steps are different. Tuesday, yes, correct. We'll meet and then we're gonna see it, look onto it. Correct? So for today, we keep till this here, okay? But don't worry about 2 stars anyone. We keep till here. You guys practice in the home. Okay, you get time, you have Sundays. Practice in the home 24th, 2nd, and 3rd. Both, all these three we can get 3 star, but you need to use variables as I have shown you. Set a to something and then you use that a as a plus 1 like this. Okay, try to do it, will able to crack it. Okay, it will take time. Okay, it won't be done in 2-3 minutes like we do for other levels. So that's why we keep till here. Okay, smile and let's come back. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye all of you. Take care.